Are you ready for the future? If you are, there are two emerging technologies happening at the same time: AI and cryptocurrency. What happens if they meet? Well, you came to the right place, because in this video, we're going to talk about the future of AI crypto and the fact that here in 2023, AI cryptos have been exploding, and it's just scratching the surface in terms of where we could go in the next 3 to 5 years. See, everything is going to have to be redesigned and reimagined for the blockchain. And we have this thing called AI, artificial intelligence and big data, which is taking over every industry in our world right now. So AI crypto, the entire sector, is a very, very innovative space that obviously utilizes artificial intelligence and big data to identify how things can be better done. Now, with AI crypto, investors are still early, and we're going to dive into some of the specifics you have to know in this video. Let's go. Okay, so AI cryptocurrencies are jumping after NVIDIA reports booming artificial intelligence demand. This is coming out very, very new right now, on the hot off the press. This is dated May 25th. You may be watching this right out of the gates, or you may be watching this months from now, but remember this time frame, because this could be the start of when AI cryptos start to get mainstream adoption. Now, of course, all of the major media outlets already talk about Bitcoin. They already talk about Ethereum. They already talk about Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, but they don't yet talk about the top AI cryptos. Later on in this video, we're going to highlight some of those. Of course, it's not financial advice, but gives you a nice starting point of where to look and start your research. But let's start right here, because AI cryptos are jumping after NVIDIA has helped the stock market really surge here at the tail end of May. And all themed cryptos got a lift here on Thursday from excitement around NVIDIA. SingularityNet, one of my favorite cryptocurrencies, rose as much as 19%. This is in the big data AI sector, and it came back up to 29 cents. Cortex also rose as well, and measurable data token, MDT, again, rose as well. Fetch AI, another one, got up nearly 5% to trade at 23 cents during the day. Fetch AI is another top AI crypto that we're going to highlight a little bit later on in this video. Now, AI cryptocurrencies refer to blockchain-based AI projects corresponding tokens. For example, Fetch AI, which we just mentioned, is dedicated to building infrastructure for smart autonomous services in supply chain, finance, travel, and more. Cortex, which was aforementioned, aims to be the first decentralized world computer capable of running AI and AI-powered dApps on the blockchain. Crypto traders got a sentiment boost from the rally in the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ Composite, driven by NVIDIA, which issued astounding sales guidance late Wednesday and cited the demand for AI capabilities. So, it might be a good thing that a lot of these cryptocurrencies have already started, and they're already building. Yes, inside the cryptocurrency market, many people know the names. Outside the cryptocurrency market, which, reminder, makes up 95% of people who are not in crypto yet, they don't know the names. And AI is surely here to stay. So let's dive into some of the top AI cryptos by market cap. Okay, we are back inside Crypto's slate, and we are taking a look at the entire AI sector, which right now is just under $3 billion total, the entire sector. Now, when we talk about crypto, there are a ton of different sectors, whether we're talking about layer 1 protocols, we're talking about layer 2 protocols, maybe DeFi, we've got meme coins, gaming coins. AI cryptos is a relatively new sector that is gaining a lot of popularity right now amid people in crypto. So if we look at the graph, that's number 1 by market cap. Right now, it's the only AI and big data token that is in the billions in market cap. The graph is in over a little bit over 1 billion right now. SingularityNet, which was mentioned a little bit earlier. By the way, SingularityNet, they're also partnered with a major company in blockchain. That is Cardano. Ocean Protocol number 3, Fetch AI, which we mentioned earlier. And we have just a number of different cryptocurrencies here that are in the tens of millions of dollars right now. Where this sector goes, though, the sky is the limit. Because let's face it, everything already has to be redesigned for the blockchain, as we mentioned at the top of the video, but AI is only going to get bigger. Everything is going digital. Everything is about big data and storing big data. There are so many cryptocurrency companies that are going to step in here and fill a huge void for various sectors in the market. So hopefully this video gives you a nice starting point. If you got some value here, guys, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe down below. I appreciate you guys. As always, keep your eyes peeled and eyes wide open when it comes to AI cryptos in the next 3 to 5 years, especially when we hit this next bull run. Thanks so much. My name's Zach. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe down below. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.